friends! Today we're talking about a BMW that takes both performance and luxury to the next level. Let's start with the design. BMW's signature kidney grille and sharp LED headlights give it an aggressive yet elegant look. Now for the most exciting part, performance. Rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds. The interior has everything you could ask for. BMW's iDrive infotainment system, fully digital displays. If you're looking at cars like the Audi RS7 or the Mercedes-AMG GT63S, this BMW is the perfect rival. So friends, what do you think of this BMW? Drop your thoughts in the comments.